Okay, so happy Sunday. So we are getting ready to go to brunch. And we're going to go to brunch at the Cheesecake Factory. I haven't been there in a minute, so we're going to get some brunch at the Cheesecake Factory. And y'all, it is nice and crispy cold here in Florida. It's in the like 41 degrees. Yes, and I love it. So I took Coco to the doggy park. We just came back. So the rest of the day is my day. Yes. And y'all, guess what? I am an what? Amazon influencer. Officially. Yes, I am. So I'm going to give y'all my storefront information. Okay. So, and I got a lot of Amazon unboxings to do. Yeah, because I have 3 packages in there now, and I ordered some more things off of Amazon this morning. So, we're going to do a little skincare before we go. Okay. Mario Badescu Seaweed Cleansing Soap. Okay. And you can also buy this on where? Amazon. So we're going to lather up. Okay, so we got that washed off. We're going to do a little toner. I hope y'all watched my video this morning, because I dropped a video because I did a night routine last night. And yes, and I uploaded it for today, this morning, so y'all could have something to watch. So yes, we're going to brunch. I was going to go to Earl's Kitchen. If y'all are ever in the Orlando area, the mall is Millennia and all the nice restaurants is there. You have Earl's Kitchen, you have Capitol Grill, you have the Cheesecake Factory, and shops in the mall. So yeah, lots of places to eat, get nice cocktails. I was trying to decide, but Earl's got this cocktail that I want to try. It's called a crystal margarita. Yeah, that's a whole nother level, baby. And I am that girl. So. Okay, I'm gonna get another. You'd be surprised how much oil be in your skin. Gosh. Even when you clean, you'll be surprised how much oil get in your skin in a day. And always make sure that when you're using your toner, that your cotton ball is clean of oil. It should be clean. That shows that you have gotten all of the oil out of your skin and you got fresh, clean skin for the day. So, and I'm going all the way down to the neck, y'all. I am. And I'm using the Witch Hazel, okay? I am using the Witch Hazel toner, Witch Hazel and lavender toner. I love how it treats my skin. It gives me this glow, real nice glow, and very clean and fresh. So I ordered some more skincare products. I ordered a few things because I don't feel like going in all the different stores. So I'm like, shoot, let me get Amazon to just deliver some of this stuff, because I don't be feeling like going to all these different stores. So yeah, make life easy. Life is easy. It's not hard. So won't make it hard. So I ordered some household things, even toilet paper off of Amazon. I ordered some more skincare from Amazon. Mario Badescu. What else I ordered? I ordered another cell phone, a new cell phone case. Y'all know I love cell phone cases, and of course, you know it's pink. Y'all know I'm a pink girl. And y'all, I can't wait to do the unboxing. I got some car accessories for the winter. Y'all know what? I want to do that right now. It is so fly. It is so fly. I think I'm gonna do that right before we leave, cause I'm ready. Cause it is fly. It is nice and fly, y'all. No joke. Yeah. So I like to switch things out for the seasons. So just like you changed your house decor, I changed my car decor as well. And so winter's here, so y'all know what we're doing. So I think I'm gonna do that unboxing before we leave. Yeah. We're gonna do that. Cause we gonna be done. We gonna be riding in style to brunch. All bougie. We're gonna be going to brunch bougie as hell. Yeah, we are. Yes, we are. And y'all gonna love this. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all are gonna love it. So we're gonna do that before we leave. Okay, y'all. And happy December. Happy December to everyone. And when you're using this, y'all, be careful when you're going around your eyes. Be very, very careful, because you don't want to get it in your eye. Feels good. I may be ordering some more. How much I got left, y'all? I'm almost. Oh, I might as well go on and order some more of that, because I'm at a half a bottle. I'm at a half a bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and order some of that from Amazon. Go ahead and get everything, because I don't feel like going in and out of stores. Or I ordered some more dye for my hair, because y'all know I got to hit them edges. I think that's it. Oh no, I ordered some aromatherapy oils, cinnamon, myrrh, calamus oil for when I do my aromatherapy. Y'all, I always do this. Coco be jumping at every single thing. Okay, y'all. So, y'all, this is my Amazon storefront. It's https://www.amazon.com/shop/Jacqueline Dorinda Chick. That is JACQUELYN DORINDACHIC. Chick as in female. Okay. I know now you could pronounce it a different way when you're speaking of fashion, which will be chic. Yeah. So yeah, that's my Amazon storefront. I am so excited about being an influencer, Amazon influencer. I really am. So I have so many products to do content on. I'm really excited. Okay, so we're gonna spritz. Before we spritz, we have to put on the Good Molecules Daily Brightening Serum. Okay, so for those of you that have some areas of your skin where you have uneven skin tone, okay, and I got that from Ulta Beauty, and I'm sure you can find that on Amazon, and it was only $8, and I love it. I love it. It is working excellent with my skin. It really is. I've been using it now for what, a month now, I would say. A month? Yeah, a month. I love it. So in some areas I have to use a little heavier than others because I'm dark. Like around the edge, my eyes, and under my nose, I have darker skin. Now my skin lightens up during the winter, so I think everybody's skin lightens up during the winter. Don't y'all skin lighten up during the winter? Mine do. Get up under this chin real good. I think I'm gonna do the laser hair removal. Have y'all tried that yet? I think I'm gonna try it. If that's gonna help them, cause I have overactive glands, okay? And so my hair follicles, grows extra hair. Okay, right under the chin. And so now there's razors for females. Sephora has them, and Ulta Beauty does too. And so yes, you can use razors. And see, I got very sensitive skin, so I can't use a bunch of different creams on my skin. So my best choice is to use the razor. And it's a female razor, so it's not like it makes me bumpy or anything. It makes me nice and smooth. So yeah, just don't use no man razor on your skin. They have razors for women. Sure did. Yeah. Do y'all remember Noxzema back in the day? Yeah, we used to use Noxzema for our skin. Ambi, y'all remember that? Ambi and Noxzema. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, that feels good. And y'all, please be sure to shop with us at the Cheek Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. We have everything you can think of, we have it. We have clothes for everyone in the family, even your fur babies. Yes, we have car accessories, we have skincare, we have hair care products, we have health care, we have the pre-workout supplements. Y'all know I hit that gym. And so we have the 2 pre-workout supplements, one for females, one for men. Energize is for the female, and Get Well is for the men. Get Well is for the men. I'm sorry, Get Fit. Get Fit is for the men. Yes, and it will take your workout results to a whole nother level. No, I'm not going to the gym today. On Sundays, I don't go to the gym because the gym don't open until 8. And so But I got Monday through Friday to hit the gym. So no, we're not going to no gym today. We're going to brunch. That's where we're going. Okay, now we're going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and switch, y'all. And we are using Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and coconut water. And you can find this also on Amazon. So we're going to use just a let's go, y'all. Just a little, cause y'all, I have it running all down. I think that's the spot. Make sure I get under the chin. But it's nice and cold out. I love this weather, this type of weather. I opened up my windows. I had the heat on earlier, but the sun is coming out. It's mid-morning. It's almost 10. It's almost 10. And the Cheesecake Factory opens at 10. All the restaurants start open at 10 on Sunday. So, yes. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Helping me get ready for brunch. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you've been notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, cheek babes and cheek fur babies.